hey, I appreciate y'all supporting the videos and watching all the videos. If you haven't already tapped in, go check out my music video on my YouTube. For my music, it's Rico Bands. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Go check it out and share it. You know, do whatever you got to do. That shit hot, I promise you. But let's get to the video.
I'm with the gang, bitch. I can't never beef about a bop, man. Fuck that lame, bitch. Pull up in my truck, I'm swinging, bitch. You know I lane switch. My niggas got the glizzy, yeah, we all up on the same shit. Just stay up in your lane, jit. This shit here can get dangerous. Hey, man, this shit here can get dangerous.
So today we're gonna be installing a max track lift on this Dodge Ram. It's my boy Hemi's. Got everything laid out. It isn't really too much to this kit. I think it's just springs and brackets and shit like that. About to go ahead and get this started and then try to get this done today. I know he wants to try to get it aligned and get everything done tomorrow. I also got some tie rods and shit to put in while I got everything torn apart. This shouldn't be too long of a build, so let's see how far we can get. All right, so got the left side done. Didn't really pick the camera up. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's just one of those PTSD days where you just don't feel like doing shit. Your anger be everywhere, but I'm straight. I'll get this shit done anyway, regardless of what's going on. Went ahead and got this max track spindle lift on, and everything looks better. It did lift it up about an inch. He had a 4-inch spindle kit before, and I think he was sitting at 4 even, but now it's sitting at about 5.5, more, yeah, about 5.5, I'd say. As you see here, the upper control arm is sitting a lot better than the other spindle lift. As you can see, the bolt is on the back instead of in the front like the other one, which made it pretty hard to get to unless you had a ratchet and wrench. Thankfully I had one of those, but went ahead and put new shocks in here. The other ones were pretty blown out, so got everything pretty much good to go on this side, and we're just working on the next side, just trying to get everything back together and get it straight. But we're moving along and everything going good, man. I'm just trying to go ahead and get this done so that way I can kind of relax for the day and chill out. But follow my dog on Instagram. He a suburban dude too. But follow my dude Hemi. All right, she's all done. Got her pulled up, ready to go. Everything went smooth, so can't complain. Didn't take me long. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. Nothing but the red trucks, you know what I'm saying? They just catch the eyes. But yeah, man, this will pretty much be it for this truck, and we'll be pushing on to the next one. But yeah, turned out good. Got it done in a day. Not even that, couple hours. So let's fast forward to next project. Out here shooting a music video. Got a few people out here. About to go crazy real quick on a little music video. So stay tuned. I'll be putting it on my YouTube channel, my music channel. So, shit, let's get it. Today, we got a 4-wheel drive Tahoe. I'm about to go get the torsion bar unloading tool, so that way I can go ahead and get started on this. I'll move it here, and then we're gonna get started. But yeah, I didn't film any more of the music video because yeah, I was out of here. I was faded, man. I just, yeah, no dog. But yeah, man, it turned out good, and had a pretty decent shoot. And I will be dropping it on my music channel, not this channel. I might drop it on this channel after that, but I don't know, we'll see. Friday these will be gone, so rest in peace to Tufts. But it'll be sitting on some stock Yanas until I get my new setup. But yeah, I mean, I'm just tired of Tufts. I'm tired of all wheels in general, but you know, ain't shit out there, so just gotta deal with whatever the hell you can find. So got the GM torsion bar unloading tool. About to head back now, so that way we can get started on this. Damn, that's that Rico. But shit, yeah, I'm about to get back and get started on this shit. We might have some shit coming in this week, might not, but I'll definitely film me taking my wheels off and shit. But that'll be for next video. And yeah, man, I don't know. We're just gonna do what it do. All right, so we're back, and this is a '05 Tahoe 4-wheel drive. We're gonna be putting a 6-inch rough country on it with some 3-inch Ford keys, and gonna get it going. It's gonna be up in the air, and I'm about to start now. Usually these round body cat eyes, anything with torsion keys, it usually takes a little longer just because it requires a little more modifications and shit like that. But I'm pretty sure I can get it done real quick. Shouldn't take too long, as long as everything comes out perfect. But you know how that goes with any truck. But yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and sort through all these parts, make sure he's got everything before I even take everything off, get it up in the air, and then get it ready to start getting disassembled. I'm gonna start by just taking everything off the front. I do have to go run by the part store so I can go get a couple tools, because I'm gonna have to cut some shit off the differential and shit like that for it to fit. All right, so got it up in the air, got everything WD-40'd up, PB blastered up, just to make sure everything was at least somewhat lubricated, so when I start turning on these bitches they don't break or anything like that, because that's really the big issue. That's really why I don't normally mess around with anything that's like '06 or below, because you know you got to deal with rust. But I can get it done. It's just it takes a couple, you know, hours longer just to make sure everything's done the right way. But like I said, this will be an easy one. I don't see any issues coming up for it, so I think I'll be able to get it knocked out pretty quick. So about to head to the tool store. I gotta go get a couple more tools, especially dealing with these round body Tahoes. You need a few specialty tools and like ratchet and wrenches and shit like that, just to make sure you get it right and you don't have to make up some shit to get some stuff off. So to make it easier on myself and to make shit faster, I'm gonna go ahead and go grab some more stuff, and that'll be it. And all y'all who's getting all this gas and shit, y'all the reason why that the fucking gas is going up or it's running out by panicking. Bro, ain't nothing. Let me stop. Anyways, like I said, we're getting back to the money, so let's go to the tool store, and then we'll just go from there. I might take y'all along with me, shit, as well, right? Y'all don't see anything else I do. So just went to the Hoodest Harbor Freight that we got, because they always got the most shit. I don't understand why, like, the trapped out stores got all the shit you need and all the upscale stores ain't got a motherfucking thing. Any Harbor Freight, you know, everything is like a couple fucking dollars, so you end up snatching everything and spending way more than you thought. But it's alright. You know, it's all an investment into my business, so I ain't really tripping. It's gonna help me, you know, do shit faster and easier. So look at Palouche. That bitch laid back on 22s and fucking boggers. I could not. Just imagine me driving my shit on 22s and boggers. I couldn't see. I couldn't fucking see. I know y'all heard about that little squat, banning the squat shit in Carolina. Like, bro, come on, man. Do you understand that this is really just a hype? And if it is gonna be signed, then it won't be until like December. If they fucking crack down on squatting, I mean, my truck isn't really squatted too much. It's probably for the dumbasses that be on the tire ripping their bed up and shit and just doing the shit knowing damn well they can't see. Now, I'm a squat enthusiast, like fucking tried and true, but goddamn, I can't. No, there's no fucking way that I could drive on the tire and have my shit like almost 15 in the front. Like, even my truck, no, fuck no. Ain't no fucking way. In anybody's mind, if you sign a bill, there's gonna be a way around it. I'll put semi-truck bags in my shit. Don't play with me. All right, so got one side pretty much all disassembled. Just gotta take the lowers out and wait for the sway bar link to unseize itself, because that bitch does not want to turn. And yeah, but good thing about it is if it gets worst comes to worst, I can cut it in half. I don't need to use this anymore. It comes with brand new sway bar links, so don't need these really anymore anyways. But I'm about to start getting all the rest of this shit off. All I gotta do now is take the lower control arm off and take out the torsion bar and basically just get the sway bar dropped and move everything out the way, so that way I can go ahead and start loosening up everything for the diff. But other than that, this is just the first side so far. Didn't take me long, probably 30 minutes. And I also took the keys out, and want to show y'all a little thing real quick. So he's putting Ford keys in here, and I want to show y'all the big difference between Ford keys and Chevy keys. So I marked the bottom of the torsion key for both. Line both of these up with the hexes. So this is the difference between Chevy keys and Ford keys. Now you see how much higher the Chevy key is compared to the Ford key. That's why Ford keys have a lot more lift power, because I mean, just for it to get up here, I mean, you're look at how much it's twisted already. All right, so a little bit later, and got this side ripped apart. Pretty easy. Everything came apart thanks to trusty old PB Blaster, man. If it weren't for PB Blaster and fucking WD-40, I don't think I'd have any patience left. I think I'd probably lose my business, because I've probably been throwing some shit through somebody's windshield. But tomorrow we're gonna get to all of this stuff in here, start putting everything together. That is if it don't rain. It's supposed to rain tomorrow morning, and Grant's supposed to be coming by to swap his wheels out. I know we swap wheels like it's clothes, bro. It just don't stay, and these will be gone Friday. But we got some big plans in the works. Ain't really nobody got any wheels in stock right now, so we're kind of just, you know, struggling. You know, certain shops, they, you know, contribute to the crowd that are clout chasers, and I'm not with all that shit. And I'm not about to play this fucking, you know, clout chasing game to where you give me a setup or some shit, or give me a deal because I got Instagram followers and I'm gonna bring you customers and shit. I ain't got time for all that shit, man. I'm a businessman just like everybody else. If somebody is looking to buy some shit and they say they have cash in hand, then fucking go for it. Like, I don't understand. Really, all I gotta do now is get the diff dropped and out of here, and just basically start cutting all this shit down here. Like I said, I got like almost 2 full days to kind of get to this, so I'm not really rushing to it. So got the wheels off, got Graham's truck parked where it's gonna be for next maybe week and a half. About to get everything done to it. Wheels coming off, like I said. We don't keep wheels at all, but y'all stay tuned. We about to go crazy with this shit. About to be filled with the next couple weeks. About to go crazy. But dude about to come and pick these up, and we just waiting now, just chilling. So yeah, man. All right, so we getting back to it today. Had a full day of rain yesterday, so I couldn't really move on with this. Should have everything put back in today. I don't see why I wouldn't. I mean, I got a full day today. I don't have anything to do for the next couple weeks. I also have Gramps' truck in the back, and I'll be starting on that next week. And Trippy, I think he's wanting to get everything done as well. But Gramp got his FTS in, so we're gonna be getting that painted and installing that, putting his rock lights on, wheel lights on, putting his new hubs in the front, and putting his new spacers on. And hopefully by that time he'll have a new set of wheels. The wheels that I was supposed to be getting, they got sold, so now I am trying to see if anybody else has some more 26x14s. They could be just wheels only, I don't really give a fuck. Or if you know anybody with forged 26x14s, let me know, because I'm in the market to buy. I'm not bullshitting like all these other motherfuckers, and I'm not about to go to a shop and have them motherfuckers just judge me off of clout. So yeah, I'm gonna hit Parker Tire up, like I said, and then we'll just get done. But let me go ahead and get all this stuff out of here, and then we'll go ahead and keep pushing on this. All right, so picking back up, had to grind the wheel out, and you can see I've been grinding away at this aluminum shit. Got the mount cut off and everything flush. Probably gonna throw a little paint on top of that just in case. just some aluminum paint, and then you have to grind down the coolant fins on this side so that way it clears on the subframe. As you can see, look at all this shit that you have to cut off and take off versus just a regular ass, you know, new body. I mean, it's a little bit different, but it takes a little longer. That's why I kind of usually give people extra grace day just in case shit doesn't go as planned, because this shit does take a full probably two to 3 days if you're not working on this shit like 8 hours at a time. All right, so update on progress. So basically got everything in this bitch ready to go. Just gotta put the shocks in and torque the keys up and then tighten up everything. Everything went pretty smooth. It was an all-day project, I know for sure, but everything looking good and fresh and new. So really all I gotta do now is, like I said, take the shocks, put them in, and then put the little skid plate on, and then turn the keys up. But all that shit won't take me too long. All right, so got everything pretty much finished up. Got out here pretty early. Thought I was gonna have to rip off the passenger side because the torsion bar was getting stuck, but all I did was just drop the axle, and then I just took a hammer and just pinned it all the way through till it reached to the back and went all the way through the keys. Everything looking good, man. About to get this bitch up in the air, throw the wheels on and see how it sits, and then I'll just update y'all on that whenever I get it up and ready to go. But I'll probably just pull it back and just move it around, make sure that everything's, you know, set in place and everything pops back in place with some load on it. All right, so got the Tahoe done. I'll put some pictures in here because I didn't get any film. But just came and picked it up, and it's good to go. So that'll be it for this video. You know, just getting it done as usual. Appreciate all the support from all of y'all, all up on my shit and following me on Instagram and just let me know that y'all fuck with my shit. So like I said, I appreciate y'all the reason why I keep putting out these videos and shit. But my music video will be dropping today that I'm filming this video at 6 o'clock on my YouTube channel, my music YouTube channel. I might drop it on here, I don't know. We'll see how it does on my music channel, and then we'll fucking figure it out from there. But go tune in. I'll leave the link to my YouTube channel, my music YouTube channel below, and then just go check me out. But I'm about to head in the house, go get me something to eat. It's been a long week, so yeah, I'll catch y'all next time.